Obviously, the core component of our latex print and cut solution is the latex printer. Our latex printers for the print and cut solution come in 54 or 64 inches. And this is the legendary HP latex printer. It has the replaceable thermal water-based print heads. It has a fantastic Gen 3 ink system which is scratch resistant and no need to wait for drying. It can go right to a take-up roll, right to a print, right to an installation, or right to a laminator without ever having to wait. It's very easy to use. It's a front loader so you can push it up against the wall. It's extremely reliable, as we've been able to demonstrate for decades of HP technology with printers, and it's very easy to use. It also benefits from our extensive library of third-party medias that we've placed on the HP Media Locator. So if you want to run a media, say a heat transfer film, all you have to do is type in heat transfer film on the Media Locator, or even easier, you can go straight to the front panel and download it directly into the printer. We have a huge list of hundreds of certified medias to allow you to print without any fuss or any hesitation on all of these tested and verified medias. The printer is productive, it's fast, it's easy to use, and it's extremely reliable. All the hallmarks of HP latex technology. So the HP latex printer really is the core of our print and cut, but this HP latex printer has been integrated with a cutter as well as a software, and then now with a new application suite. Together, this printer with those pieces is a solution, and that's what we want to offer at HP. A comprehensive, fast, easy-to-use solution that is significantly better than anything that's ever gone before in print and cut technology.